Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am back with entry number 17. I'm going to get in here. Y'all see this is a big old box again, and I have not peeked at this one, but it is full and it does look festive. So there's a lot of fun stuff come out. And it looks like, okay, I'm upside down because I do not want to share the address, but I'm going to try to pull this out. And it looks like we have a lot of fun again. Y'all know I love my party in the box. Okay, y'all know me. I'm going to run my mouth. Okay, first I'm just going to dive right here to these. How cute. Oh my gosh, my name again. Y'all spoil me with my name. That's something shaking in there. Let's pop this one open and let's see. Oh my goodness. That is complete gorgeousness. Trying to see if y'all can see without the glare. But it's hard not to glare on this one, man. There's some metallics in here and so much sparkle. I apologize for any glare. I'm trying to be careful and let y'all see it at the same time. I am so in love with this. This is going to be displayed every year. Oh, I'm so in love. Okay, let's see what she says. She says, hello, Carmen. Thank you for the opportunity to join your challenge. This gave me the chance to make my very first Memory Dex card. Another first, y'all. Thank you so much. This blesses me. I mean, I just can't even give you the words how much. I hope you like it. Continued success on your channel. Your new friend, Dee Dee. Ah, Dee Dee, thank you. I appreciate that so much. She said just, her YouTube channel is Just Make Something. No videos. Oh, I'm just, wow. Girl, you got some talent here. Okay, I'm going to set that aside because y'all know I don't have a lot of room. And let's see, look at these. Oh my goodness, that is too stinking cute. Is that hot glue? What a clever idea. Oh my goodness, girl. Look at these embellishments. Did you make these too? Oh my goodness. They are amazing. Can y'all see those? And then she's got all the sequins inside. Oh, I'm so in love. Thank you, honey. Okay, let's see. I see another Halloween. I love the spider web. And all the jewels. And, oh, all the sequins. Oh, I thought they was going to fall out on me. Oh, my gosh. And, oh, my gosh, that little ghost is so cute. Can y'all see her? Oh, and the little bow on that ghost. And these eyeballs. Y'all know I love the eyeballs. And the glittered bat. And, oh, my. All these little frames I'm going to get to use and do so much. Y'all know I love my embellishments. Thank you. Y'all, I just... the talent. Each and every one that comes in here. Actions speak louder than words. That is beautiful. Okay, let's see. I'm hoping, let me see if I can get this with, I'm not sure if I can get it without tearing it. There we go. And she's gifted me words, more words. Okay, I can quit complaining about not having words. Oh, those are gorgeous. And more. Oh my goodness. I can definitely quit complaining. I can make my own. I mean, I've got words now. I can make my own sentiments. Oh my. Look at these. Sweetheart, you absolutely bless me. Thank you. And I cannot tell you how much it means to me that y'all go out of your way. Her DIY. Okay. I love this splatter paper. Oh, it's DIY. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are these for like, you connect them and do the rosettes? Because that's what it looks like. You'll have to make sure, leave me a comment. Let me know for sure. But that's what it looks like to me. So, okay, I'm not going to do that on camera. But she's got the burgundies and the grays and the blacks. Y'all pay so much attention. Y'all just listen. Y'all just, all the blues and all the burgundies and blacks and grays. Y'all, thank you so much. Y'all just to know that you actually hear. You know? Not just listen to what I gotta say, but you actually hear all the way. And pay attention to me, what I've got to say, and it makes me feel so important. Holy moly. See, I want to learn how to layer like this. Y'all have got this stuff down. And I start getting overwhelmed. Like, am I doing it right? Is it too much? Is it too little? Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. And look at that giant bat. That's the bag topper. And I love this paper. Is that? I thought that was, oh, it is bats. I was like, that looks like bats. But yeah, it is bats in the background. And it's metallic silver. I love that. I tried to find a Halloween paper pad that had some of the metallics in it, and I just didn't have any luck. But that's okay. Wow. Maybe they got something coming out better next year. Oh my gosh, y'all. Am I getting it too close for you? Do y'all see those? Oh my goodness. Wow. Would I lie to you? That is so cute. And I love this box. Oh my goodness. Is this what I think it is? I believe so. Oh my gosh. And she has stuffed it full. Oh, and all these wood chips. Wow. Gosh, there's just so much here. Oh my gosh, little car and sailboats and another little woman and little tags. Oh my goodness, thank you, honey. I'm so in love with that. And the flower. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, filling blue. Oh boy. Filling blue. Definitely curious here. Oh. Bum-bums galore. Oh my gosh, and it looks like it's all in blue. This stuff just makes me giggle. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. And some more. Oh my gosh, sweetheart. Thank you. Y'all. I'm dumping it. That's not even all. Hold on. Oh, this just cracks me up and makes me giggle so much. How can stuff like this just not be fun and make you smile? Oh my goodness, all the gorgeous beads. Oh my. Let's see if I can get y'all to see them without some of the glare. Thank you. And look at all the pom-poms. I'm starting to get a collection of pom-poms and everything and wood pieces. Y'all. Oh my gosh. This is just amazing. And then look. It is rosettes. I knew it. Thank you, honey. Y'all, I just want to cry so much. Y'all just bless me. And I just ordered me a die so I don't have to stress over making some anytime soon because of you. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. Look at this sequin mixture, y'all. And it's in the donut. Oh my gosh. I just want to shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your sequins. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And she's got some little jewels in there too, not just sequins. Sea beads. Oh my goodness. Oh, isn't that pretty? Thank you. Oh my gosh. I'm just... Bag it and tag it. Okay. With the way these have been going. Oh my word. This community is some of the most generous. I love these. Good finds. This community is just one of the most generous, and I'm talking about everybody. I see y'all do this over and over again, and I inspire to do that. I mean, I just, oh my goodness, y'all. How cute. Oh my goodness, now these might struggle just a little bit trying to get out, but I still want to see them. Oh, no, that was good. Oh my goodness, look at those. They are beautiful. Thank you. I can't say it enough, y'all. I just can't. At this point, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I just want to keep saying thank you over and over to y'all. Oh, boy. I love this popcorn. Look at that bag. What a cute little idea. And oh my goodness, how you have topped it is, oh, that is so super cute. Oh my gosh. That is like, wow. Okay, y'all ready? This is her first memory decks. Oh, it's so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, and it ties. Oh, wow, like a little book. Okay, so she's got the Admit One tickets and the tickets and more Admit One. She's got the pom-pom Circus since 1673, the hot air balloon. And of course it's got the curtain showing the little lion. Oh my goodness. Is this like balloons up here? Little pom-poms, how she created them. Oh my goodness. Y'all see? Girl, I don't know how this is your first. I'm blessed that it is, but I just don't know how. Wow. See, how are y'all doing? Okay, now this one I think looks like, do you outline that in like metallic paint pen? Because I love that style, like the blue one I got. And all the stars, and look at these. And she's got that. It's like resin. I'm not sure. These beautiful stars. But it's like, I'm not sure what that is. I know a lot of people call it different things, and everybody's is different. But can you please tell me what you've used on top of this? Because I'd like to know. I actually like this much better than the triple thick. At least I think I do. Because it doesn't, even at triple thick, even after a while, still seems sticky. Oh my gosh. I'm just, wow. You've definitely got a gift. And then I'm going to pull out her admitting tickets. I'm going to let y'all take a little peek at that. Isn't it so pretty? And I love how she's got the tickets, and I'm guessing this has her information on it, and it does. What a stinking clever idea. How awesome is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got Dee Dee Bailey. She's from Texas. Her birthday is May 12th. Her YouTube channel is Just Make Something. Like I said, we could still go support her, so she's got some numbers up there just in case she decides to, because y'all see all this gorgeous. Y'all need to encourage her. Her color is pink and hollow, and which I'm guessing is like holographic, because correct me if I'm wrong. Her style is anything pretty, crafty item, anything. I'm sorry, is it delusions? Or double-sided tape. Alright, y'all remember I'm not good with names of products and stuff. But I love how she did that. And then it closes right up. And then she's got the, where did we get this from? Oh, it's a pocket. It blended right in. I didn't notice. It's kind of like Mel did. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. I know I am running my mouth. But y'all know how hard it is for me. I'm just so blessed. Take another couple peeks. I'm beside myself, and I just don't know what to say with all these extra goodies. My goodness. Thank you, honey. I mean, oh, I just don't even know. I'm going to try to squeeze as much as I can in, but there's so much. I just don't know if I can squeeze it all in for y'all to take a good peek. Let's see. It's going to hide those. Let's see. No. Oh. Alright, we're going to hide those little bags. And that gorgeous card. My goodness. A birthday party in the back. I mean, how can you go wrong there? Oh, thank you. And I'm going to wrap it up because I know I just keep going too long, and I just don't know what to say other than thank y'all so much. And as always, I really do wish you the best.